All right, we're going to use our iPad as a whiteboard. There's a couple different things you can use: sketches, notability, and numbers. I'm actually going to be using numbers for a variety of reasons. I like the fact that I can make multiple sheets. I like the fact that I can actually add my own images, shapes, text boxes, anything I want. Now you'll notice that it starts off with a table. Just click on the little dot up top and then choose delete and it is gone. Now, since I'm going to want to actually use the drawing tool, I need to make sure that I do not choose the very first pencil. I want to choose one of the next ones. So once I have that, I'm going to be able to draw. I really like to be able to use numbers as a large whiteboard because it gives me plenty of space to work. You can zoom in and out. If you are doing a drawing, you might want to consider starting at the very middle of the page. Otherwise, in the top corner is where you want to begin. So once I am done with my whiteboard drawing, I'm actually going to put this into iMovie. There's some parts of it that I was really slow in, so I'm actually going to be speeding those pieces up unless I really want to emphasize what I'm talking about. Then I might actually slow it down, or in some cases, I might just put a still picture in there so you can really see what is going on in that section. Make sure if you don't understand something, come see me. You can always pause and rewind your video to make sure you understand how exactly to do that, because I do go pretty quickly. So I'm working on my drawing. That took about 5 minutes, but with iMovie, I actually sped it up. In fact, I sped it up several different times so that I had to render the video, send it to my photos, re-add it so it shortened up. Now, I want to emphasize this specific thing. You'll notice that I'm working on making a Yoda. So I actually split this video clip and then I put this picture inside there. So then I can continue on now that I'm trying to finish up my little drawing for the project. Now let's take a look at actually how you do this in iMovie. So we are going to go ahead and open up iMovie, hit the plus sign and say movie. Here you can select which video clips or stills you would like to be able to use. You can add them elsewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, use this dog video. You're going to see there's a lot of different options down below. Now the next piece of this video, you'll notice that I'm actually slowing down so you can see the slider that I am able to adjust. Once I'm happy with that, I can take a look at my video. I realize I actually want to be able to add a photo right in the middle there. So I'm going to hit the action, split it. Now go ahead and look for my photo. We'll just quickly pick one from Utah, and then there's my photo. Notice that it's zooming in and out. That's a Ken Burns effect. When I click on it, I can actually turn that off. Now enter the text. You do have the ability to change the text style, the color, and you're even going to be able to rearrange the text as you wish. Once you're happy with the way the video clips look, on the left side you'll be able to record your audio, and then when you're done you can go ahead and export it to your photos.